Hi everybody. Today is 14th of August 2020 and we have decided to visit Line of Control LOC in Kashmir. After leaving India and Pakistan, we learned one thing: always start as early as possible. It's a long journey as I carefully choose the spot from where I want to watch LOC. It is at Upper Neelum Valley, at the top of the LOC, and beyond Upper Neelum Valley, the LOC turned towards east. Let me show you in the map. It is a very critical point, have a very good view of India, but it was a terrible drive, I must say. I drive 10 hours, many checkposts, damaged bumper, race station with Pakistan Army. The journey starts with the Srinagar Highway. Pakistan recently changed the name from Kashmir Highway to Srinagar Highway. But all the route was so beautiful, amazingly, that we do not have any complaint. Just before Kashmir, we're getting hungry, and we have a simple breakfast, but one of the tastiest breakfast we ever have. Reaching Muzaffarabad is a comfort, but as it is 14th of August, so a lot of celebration is waiting for us on the roads. It's good to see all these lively people celebrating 14th August, raising flags and slogans. It's a good experience. And really, it was good to see that in such a tough environment, they're still enjoying the life. So we leave Muzaffarabad and started our next phase of journey, which is alongside the, I will say, Neelum River, which later become Neelum River downstream, but as upstream it called Neelum River, and in India it will call Krishnanga. I will say it's not a very big river, but have amazing views, and I'm seeing alongside some development due to CPEC, some hydropower plants, which is very encouraging. You can see that this is the dam, and they're making some hydro here, but the roads are not good, partly because the things are under construction, and partly because we just have a heavy rain, so it's a lot of landsliding and stone falling, which damage the road. And at some point I was really concerned that should I go back, because it's hardly any width on the roads. But we did not give up, and we continue and with the river and finally reach Very often people think that the Kashmir issue is unnecessarily complicated. To clarify, I make this video. I am at the moment in Pakistan at the west side of Neelum River, which will be converted into Jhelum later, and watching India. All these mountains and houses are India, and this river is a border between India and Pakistan at the moment, or you can call it line of control. So you can see the complexity of the issue, and I'm just sitting in the balcony of my room and covering this whole region. I mean, this is the Siachen side of the Neelum River, and this is the so-called south, or actually it is towards Islamabad and Rawalpindi. So you can see that how close everything to each other, yet how far they are. I will do the video again in the night, so you can see the border lights, and I try to show you the check post. These are the check posts on Indian side. Okay, I will come back again. Great. Night lights are on LOC. Good night. Hi everybody. Today is 15th August, Independence Day of India. Congratulations to India. Pakistan has celebrated it yesterday. Right now I have a cup of tea at LOC. It's very early in the morning, it's 5:30. The checkpost lights has been gone. You can see few on the top of the river. I try to focus it. Yes, that you can see. But most of the lights has been gone. Basically, you can see the river. I will try to focus it. Yeah, there is a fence on the Indian side, but I have not seen a fence in Pakistan side. Actually, they have a very sophisticated, I think, electromagnetic fields which are sensing the movements and monitoring it. Anyway, let me finish my cup of tea. On the way back from LOC, I have seen some very heart-touching scenes. The girl is picking leaves and fruits from a tree just in front of the LOC. The boy sitting on the roof watching India across LOC, cares nothing. After watching them, I am wondering, LOC should stand for line of control, or it should stand for love, opportunities, and care. Anyway, we are back at the home now on 15th of August, and as usual, our dog Jules welcomes us very warmly. He is so happy that we come back alive from LOC, and really it was a great journey. We really enjoyed, and good to be back with Jules. After all, he's from India actually. He joined us 9 years back in Delhi when he was only 5 weeks. Thank you very much, guys. God bless all of you.